Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be reviewing another lace front wig from SHEIN. The box doesn't say the name, but on there it says 100% human hair. The wig came with a stocking cap in the box, and here is the wig itself. It is a deep wave transparent lace frontal wig, natural black virgin human hair, and the density is 150%. And did I say the length? Yeah, the length is 26 inches. So as for like most of the wigs I got, it has some clips in it. This one has one extra clip, I believe, than most of them that I've seen. And like I said, the wig length is 26 inches and the texture of this hair is deep wave. Again, the lace is transparent according to the information on the hair. And here it is. I'm holding it up on the back of my hand just to show you guys how it looks and how it looks against my skin. Before I put the wig on, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the sides because I can already see that I'm gonna be needing to do that for it to look natural when I put it on. So here it is, guys. After I plucked it, I am absolutely loving the way it looked. I did that off camera, put it on my mannequin, and yeah, I absolutely love the way it looked. Not my mannequin, but my wig cap. I always call that my mannequin for some reason. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my hair prepared, or my stocking cap, my head, whatever you want to call it, prepared for the wig. So I'm adding some foundation onto the stocking cap just to tone the color down a little so it will match easily with my skin, or better with my skin when I put the wig on. I'm also going to be cleaning my skin with some alcohol, as you can see here, just so that the glue that I'm going to be using to hold the lace on will stick better. Now that I did that, got it all prepared, I'm putting the wig on and try to see where I want it before I start adding the glue on. And as soon as I figure out where I want it to sit at, I'm gonna just fold it back so I could apply the glue. The glue I'm using is from Kiss. I used to really love this glue, but for some reason I'm not really liking it so much anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do one layer instead of 2 or 3 that I would normally do. After I applied the glue, I used my blow dryer to speed up the drying process. Now I'm going to go right on ahead and pull the lace down on it where I want it, and then I'm going to dry it some more with the blow dryer before I tie an elastic band down on it so it could dry even more. While the glue is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and part the hair and style it how I want it. So to style it, I'm gonna give it a center part, and I'm also gonna go ahead and plug the part in to make it look brighter and a little bit wider, and this will make it look a little bit more natural. Now I'm adding some mousse on it to help to keep the hair in place. This will help to hold it and also keep down the frizziness that you sometimes get from these wigs. I'm also going to be spraying water on it to loosen up the curls, and this water have conditioner in it and maybe a little bit of oil, I forgot, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and then comb my fingers through it. And after that, I'm also going to be applying some cream on it. That's coming up soon. So now that I got it all moist, I'm going to be adding some of my Pantene Hydrating Buttercream on it and just comb through it with this cream. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the elastic band off so I could cut the lace off of the wig. I'm also gonna go ahead and do some baby hair on this wig. I just feel like it's needed. To hold them down, I'm using some of my ultra glued from Got to Be Glued, and this is a styling gel, so this is gonna hold my baby hair in place. Now I'm going to use a silk edge scarf to tie them down for the last time. And I'm going to keep it on there until my edges are completely dry. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So this is it, guys, all done and looking fabulous, of course. And this is actually the next day, and the hair is still looking moisturized and looking flawless. I actually didn't add anything else to it. I just woke up the next day and, you know, put my makeup on, and this is it. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. I love how flowy it is. I love how much body it has. It's not frizzy, it's not shredding, anything like that. So it's absolutely pleasing to me, if you ask me. I have to say I'm very much surprised with this one. The lace did not what should I say, failed me at all. It came out looking good. The hair itself, the texture, everything about it just feels so good. It looks so good. So I am actually very surprised with this, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, Shein, y'all did good. Again, the unit is from SHEIN. I will leave all the information down below so you guys can easily find it. It is a deep wave transparent lace front wig. The length is 26 inches and the density is 150%. I also do have a discount code for you guys that you can use when you go on their website to purchase from them, and I will leave it in the description box also, as well as on the screen. As usual, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!